Welcome to today's channel. If you can hear me, let me know in the comment section, guys. If you can hear me, let me know in the comment section. All right. If you can hear me, let me know in the comment section. All right. Awesome. So where are you watching from? Where are you joining from? Nigeria, South Africa, Ghana? Where are you joining from? India? Where are you joining from? Are you joining from Pakistan? All right. Awesome. So let me know where you're joining us from. Okay. Oh, awesome. I can see De from Nigeria. I can see Mohammed from South Africa. Awesome. I can see Yarid from Mexico. I can see Ravaj from India. Awesome. I can see Karan from India. Godwin from Nigeria. All right. I can see Javani from India. Awesome. So good to have you guys here today. And today we'll be having a live trading analysis. All right, a live trading analysis. And today's analysis, we're going to start with the Euro USD. All right. Interestingly, I would always want to follow market structure approach. Okay. Knowing fully well that we want to understand what is the market structure. Okay, what is the current market structure? Where is the market currently? All right, and this is going to really show us. This is going to be like our guide into what we are actually looking for. All right, so because as an analyst, we want to trade what we see, not just what we think. All right, logic over emotions. Okay, so one interesting thing I want to start with is a top-down approach. I call it the top-down approach. All right, the top-down approach. Now, here is the top-down approach. Then what do we do on the top-down approach? We are looking to have more like a multiple time frame analysis, scaling from the higher time frame to the lower time frame. All right, and getting to understand the market directions and then positioning for this particular direction. So currently on the higher time frame, which is the monthly time frame, we know that Euro USD generally is on Euro USD is generally on a downtrend, and of course we can see that there are several levels for us to observe, like resistance and support level, or support turned resistance level. Like this level here now is a support turned resistance level. All right, it was previously a support here. It was previously a support here, a support level. Okay, it was previously a support here, and now it has turned resistance level. Okay, it was previously support, and now it has turned resistance level. Okay, so this is very important for us to note. This is a support level here, has turned resistance level. How did it turn into a resistance level? A breakout occurred here. All right, the breakout that occurred here redefined the market direction. Okay, then after this breakout occurred, market went back to retest that level and couldn't hold still. market came down, went up again, retested the level, couldn't hold still. Don't forget, as market had come down, it has also created a support zone here. All right, so this on the other hand is another support zone to watch. Okay, this on the other hand is another support zone to watch. All right, that's on the higher time frame. So currently now, good. So currently now we can see price came into the support zone, was rejected, went back up, the resistance zone resisted it, price came down again. All right, and the support zone held strong, while we can see price moved back to the previous resistance zone. And of course, the resistance zone became resistance to price, price action, to price movement, and then there was a fall in price. But when price came down to the support zone, what do we see price do here? Price finally broke out of the support zone. All right, and of course, after a breakout, we witnessed a retest back into the support stone resistance zone. So this level now being a support, this level now being a support level. Okay, all right, after the breakout, now we now have after the breakout, we now have the support level as a resistance zone. Let me okay, good. So this became like another resistance zone, since this place is now a support. So here is now a resistance zone for price. Okay, so if price is gonna come back now, this level would be our target area. All right, on the monthly time frame. So for swing traders, you target shorting Euro USD over the months. Why? Because from the look of things, after this retest had been completed, we see price. We can see price, coming here. Okay, so price is coming back to test this support zone. Okay, so interestingly, it's more like saying from the look of things, Euro USD would remain bearish for the rest of the year from the monthly time frame analysis. All right, Euro USD would remain bearish for the rest of the year. All right, which is we can see how market is already pointing to the downward direction for Euro USD. However, let's go into the weekly time frame in order for us to have a closer view of what is currently ongoing. Okay, so let's go to the weekly time frame. So as you can see that on the weekly time frame, price had broken out of a major zone here. Let me take it back and zoom in. Okay, good. So we can see price move here and came out from here, then rallied around this place. Don't forget, this level is a resistance zone. All right, which means price struggled at this level, and now we can see price already moving towards the downward direction for the past 7 weeks. All right, if you zoom in, let's count the number of candles, because each candles on the weekly time frame represents 1 week, which is 7 days. So let's count this. This week, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So for the past 9 weeks, okay, Euro USD has been falling for the past 9 weeks. All right, for the past 9 weeks. And of course, it has not even yet come out finally from this support, from this resistance zone. So which means if it comes out, we might be seeing a few movements like this. When it comes out, then price comes back to touch this level before we see price continue to fall. All right, because it has to break out back into out of this resistance zone. It has to come out of this zone. All right, come down a bit, then go back to retest the zone and then continue falling. All right, so that is the projection we can see from the weekly time frame. Okay, now let's look at this from the daily time frame. Now on the daily time frame, we can see something unique. All right, let me clear all these other lines. So on the daily time frame now, we can see a trend line here. Okay, we can see a trend line here. And we can see that Euro USD has broken out of this trend line. Okay, Euro USD has broken out of this trend line. Now, what do you expect? Where do you expect to see price next? Okay, where do you expect to see price next? For me, the next place I'm seeing price is this level. Okay, that's the next place I'm seeing price. All right, and if price comes out of that level, the next place I'm seeing price is this level. Okay, that's the next place I'm seeing price. Are you following? Let me know if you are following in the comment section. Type following. I want to know that you are following in the comment section. Type following. It's very important. That's why you are here. You need to understand what I'm talking about. Type following. So we can see that price, Euro USD had broken out of the trend line. Okay. Euro USD has broken out of this trend line. So what do we expect from here? All right. Once price closes, okay, by tomorrow, the market might be slow and also might be fast depending on news, but tomorrow we might see a little retest back. Okay, a little retest before price would continue falling. Okay, see a little retest here before price would continue falling. So for now, you can see that Euro USD on the daily time frame is a sell. Now let's look at it from the 4 hours time frame. Let's look at it from the 4 hours time frame. Obviously, from the 4 hours time frame, okay, from the 4 hours time frame, Euro USD is a sell. From the 4 hours time frame, because if you look at it closely, Because if you look at it closely, look at what you will find. That price consolidated here, okay, and finally a breakout occurred. Can you see that? Price consolidated at this level. All right, so it was either ways now, because I'd been watching the price, for some hours back now. It was either ways. Whilst I was expecting price movement, of course I was bearish on Euro USD, so it was either way. Since there's a consolidation, it's either price goes up, okay, or price goes down. Now, because either direction will determine the next move of the market. All right, either direction will determine the next move of the market. Okay, and that's very important for us to also consider. So if you look at this, okay, price broke out, went up, then came down. Currently now price has closed. Price has closed on the previous 4 hours time frame, and there is a new candlestick about to be formed. Now, what does this tell us as a trader? There is a sell pressure in the market. Okay, there is sell pressure in the market, and that's what we can see here. So after this breakout, what I will be doing as a trader is shorting this market. All right, I'm shorting this market, expecting the further movement in price. Okay, so you can short from here. You can put your stop loss at this level. Okay, you can put the stop loss at this level. All right, and your target price and your take profit at this level. Okay, you can put your stop loss at 1.0698, and you can put your take profit at 1.04096. all right, so interesting, a breakout has happened. Price has broken out of this resistance zone. A little retest was done, okay, and has closed. Now another candle is being formed, okay, and that's it. So let's look at it from the 1 hour time frame. Good. If you look at it from the 1 hour time frame, you will get the trend. So look at it from the 1 hour time frame now. You can see that a retest was done here and further fall in price, and currently now you can see how price has been falling here. All right, so that's one of the things we should expect to see, a further selling price. Euro USD is a good sell from this level. If you are an intraday trader, you can put your stop loss here. If you are a swing trader, if you are an intraday trader, which means you love to close your trade within a day, you don't want to hold your trade for long, you can just wait to see if price will retest. But if you are a swing trader, you can short from here, because in the long run, all right, Euro USD would fall. All right, would continue to fall. So it can continue to fall from here. It can retest a bit, because of course by tomorrow, once market closes today, by tomorrow there will be a retest. price will definitely retest. When there is a breakout, there are 80% chances of a retest. So if this candle closes today as fully bodied as it is, when tomorrow's candle opens, there will be a retest, and when there is a retest, price will continue to fall. All right. So my projection is Euro USD would continue to be bearish for the rest of the year, based on the technical analysis, based on our top-down approach. When we look at it from the monthly time frame down to the weekly time frame, okay, as we can see here, down to the daily time frame, okay, as you can see, down to the 4 hours time frame. Okay. Someone said, what about gold USD analysis? Okay. You don't have to spam the chart. All right, I see it. So let's do some analysis on gold. So let's do the top-down approach on gold for this. Starting from the monthly time frame. On the monthly time frame, we can see that there are some levels to actually observe. Okay, here is an important level to look into. Okay, here is also another level to look into. Okay, so we can see that gold have several levels on the monthly time frame. Another level to watch. Okay, I think it's also spanned across this level. Okay. All right, good. So obviously we can see that gold is at a key support zone. Gold is at a key resistance zone rather. Okay, you can see gold is at a key resistance zone. All right, gold is at a key resistance zone, which means definitely price getting to this level has been rejected like 3 times. All right, and of course after the first rejection we saw price touch this next support level, went up, came back to this next support level and continued to fall. So yeah, now price has gone touched this resistance zone and coming down. So we definitely can see a sell projection on gold from this level to this level. Let me give all right, so we can see gold coming to touch the next support level. All right, let's look at the weekly time frame. Now the weekly time frame, as you can see from here now, that the weekly time frame now is also being bearish. All right, price has been moving, has been creating a lower low. Okay, a lower low. All right, so from here we can project gold coming down to this level. All right, we can project gold selling off and touching the next support level. Okay, now if you look at it closely also, there is a minor resistance zone here. I'm sorry, a minor support zone, you know. So of course you can see how it played a little role. So it's a minor, support zone, a minor support zone here. So more reason why we are seeing a little bit of rejection, buy momentum at this level. It's a minor resistance zone. I'm sorry, a minor support zone where there are buy orders, some fewer buy orders lurking around there. Yeah. So on the daily time frame, what are we seeing on the daily time frame? On the daily time frame, let me see what. Okay, so here is what we can see now. We can see a descending triangle. Okay, we can see a descending triangle on the daily time frame. All right, so on the daily time frame we can see that gold is is on a descending triangle. Right, so a closer look, you can see how price has been reacting. Price has been creating a lower low. If you see this, okay, from here it closed here. This is the next low. Okay, and after this low is another low. So each close of price, okay, is creating a lower low. So you can see price close at the low level here, then came here also to close at the low level here, then now price closed lower than this. So that's why we'll call it lower low. All right, price has been given a lower low movement, all right, around this descending triangle. So yeah, so what do we expect from price? We might definitely won't see a breakout. All right, not there's no 100% expectation from this, but from what we analyze now, there's a higher probability that there would be a breakout to the downward side, because we see price consistently coming to touch this support zone, So this is one footprint, another footprint, and another footprint. The next footprint might lead to a breakout. Okay, the next footprint might lead to a breakout. So on the daily time frame, where we have a bearish outlook on the gold market. Let's look at the 4 hours time frame. Okay, you can see that on the 4 hours time frame, you know, the buy momentum is there. Of course, if you want to play around the buying, you know, it might not be, it might be on a very short run or short time, given that gold has closed above this level, you know, so you can take advantage of gold's movement up to this level, but definitely it's not sustainable. All right, it's not sustainable. Okay, it's not sustainable, and that's if you want to really risk it. So once it gets here, we can see price might trigger far back, you know, into the bearish direction. All right, if you have any question, do let me know in the comment section. I'm waiting for your question. If you have any question, do let me know in the comment section. I'm waiting. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. I'm waiting. Interesting. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Okay, I'm waiting. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Have any question, let me know in the comment section. Okay, I'm waiting. So we have a general bearish outlook on gold. Okay, so if you are trading on the long term, all right, if you are a swing trader, you can look to shorting gold, which is selling gold. All right, if you want to wait for further confirmation, you can look to waiting for price to break out of this level. All right, you know, so you can wait for price to break out of this level before you start shorting. And however, you can also short on the lower time frame. Okay, definitely you want to put together your risk management. All right, your risk management is very important. Thank you very much, Kelvin. He said your analysis is clear. Thank you very much. Thank you. All right, let's have a quick analysis on GBP USD. Okay, which do you want me to talk about to run an analysis on? You want me to run analysis on the pounds or USD JPY? GBP USD or USD JPY? I'm waiting. The first suggestions that get consistent, I would go for it. Should I analyze GBP USD or USD JPY? Someone is saying, okay, let's do GBP USD. Starting from the higher time frame. Let's touch down USD JPY. Let me see what we've got here. USD JPY. Okay. Let's do. Okay. So USD JPY has been on a bullish steroid. All right. Let's map out levels and so definitely we can see that USD JPY is coming to a level where it had not been in a long time. The last time it was here was October 2022, and now in September 2023, which is a year later, you can see price coming back to that level. Now, what are our expectations for USD JPY? Okay. My expectation for USD JPY is still bullish, all right, and it would get to touch this level of resistance. All right, it will definitely touch this level of resistance, and when it touches that level of resistance, I would begin to short USD JPY. All right, when it touches this level of resistance, there will be a sell limit. Okay, where the market gets to sell at a higher price than the current market price. So let's look at it on the weekly time frame. Now, if you look at it on the weekly time frame, you definitely spot a double bottom and prices going higher. Price is definitely going to touch this level, so of course you can keep buying. All right, you can keep buying into, you can buy into USD JPY. When it touches this level, expect a rejection. Okay, so expect a rejection when price touches this level of resistance of which I've marked here. But for now, USD JPY is still bullish. So for USD JPY, okay, we are expecting price to touch this level. So of course you can still buy USD JPY at this level. All right, you can still buy it at this level. So USD JPY is a buy. All right, it's a buy. The projection is see USD JPY get to this level of resistance. Okay, USDJPY. Once USDJPY gets to this level of resistance, then the sell triggers massively. The sell will trigger massively here. Why? Because it's getting to a level where it had not gotten to in almost a year. So definitely there would be a lot of sell orders waiting for USDJPY at this level. All right, and it's either there is a massive rejection or price would rally at this level for a while before deciding to break out. So yeah, we might just see price rally around, like this, coming around, going up, coming down, just lurking around this level, and before deciding if to fall further or if to break out upward. Okay, that's what we would see happen on Euro USD once it gets to this level. And of course, currently Euro USD, it's a buy. All right, Euro USD currently is a buy. Oh, sorry. Euro USD currently is a buy. Moshood said you are too much. Oh, thank you very much, brother. I'm glad you are getting value. So Euro USD from this level is a buy. You can buy at this level and set your take profit here. Okay, set a take profit here. Okay, at 149.588. Definitely you want to set your stop loss at a preferred at a price level to your own discretion. Okay, so yeah, for USDJPY we are projecting a buy. Let's look at it on the 1 hour time frame. Awesome. On the 1 hour time frame as well, you can see price has been okay, you can see that good. So we are projecting a buy on USDJPY here, upward. All right, so yeah, I want to believe that you've gotten value from this session. From what you can see, first of all, you look at the market structure from the higher time frame to the lower time frame. When you look at the market structure, you want to ask yourself, where is the level of support and resistance zone? By the moment you spot the level of support and resistance zone, look at how many footprints were created at this zone. All right, so definitely you see one footprint here, another footprint here, another footprint here, and price moves up. Okay, it's in the indication that this level is a strong support zone. All right, so yeah, that's it. Thank you very much for joining. Thank you, Jadvan. Thank you, Abdul Alim. Thank you, Rana. Thank you, Faisal. Thank you, Mohammed. Thank you, Godwin. Thank you, everyone who joined this session. I look forward to seeing you in our next session, and I hope you get value, and I hope you trade profitably and also minimize your risk. Thank you for joining. Stay profitable.